Are you looking for a way to help people with disabilities to stay active and productive? Introducing ApuSylvi, Handicraft Aid. It is the perfect solution for people with disabilities to stay involved in the creative process. ApuSylvi is a product designed to help those with disabilities make handicrafts with ease. Our product allows people with disabilities to continue enjoying the joys of crafting, no matter their level of disability. Our product features adjustable straps, big-headed needles and ergonomic design, making it easier for people with disabilities to craft without straining themselves. ApuSylvi can be used on lap, table of in a wheelchair, allowing anyone to craft without worrying about the items slipping away. With ApuSylvi, crafting has never been easier. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting out, ApuSylvi allows you to enjoy the creative process without worrying about mobility restrictions. Our product makes it easier for people with disabilities to stay involved in the creative process. Whether it's making crochet, felting, embroidery, cross-stitch, jewelry or any other kind of craft, ApuSylvi is the perfect solution for those who have disabilities. Don't let disabilities stop you from enjoying the creative process. Try ApuSylvi today and see how it can help you or someone you know stay involved in the world of crafting. Use promo code SYLVI22 and get 15% off. Go to www.ApuSylvi.fi/n.